Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another hair installation video, and today I'm featuring Asteria hair once again. So they sent me the 24-inch 180% density HD lace frontal wig. It was meant to be a 13x6, but I think they sent me a 13x4. So this is a 13x4 frontal. The sides are really short, but the back goes pretty long. I would say the back is almost like a 13x6. The middle, sorry, is almost like a 13x6. This is the plastic wallet that it came in. That comes in this satin bag. In the bag, you get a wig cap. You also get edge brush and lashes. And you also get an elastic band, which is my absolute favourite band. My favourite bands are from Asteria hair. This is the actual wig. I'm 5'9", and it comes all the way down to the top of my hips, as you can see. Yeah, so this is very long. What I love about Asteria hair is the colour of their hair is really dark. It's like it's been dyed jet black, but this is how it comes. I'll show you in comparison to my other straight wig that's meant to be natural black. This is my other straight wig. This is my other straight wig, and this is Asteria hair. You can see the difference in colour. This is much browner. It even looks like it's a brown wig compared to this one. I'm so excited to install this wig. I have bleached and plucked it. One thing about Asteria straight hair is that it's always thick. The frontal is always thick, so you do have to pluck a lot of hair. I was gonna go for the no edges look today, but we'll see. Okay guys, so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to section out my ear tabs, and to do that I just take a comb, part upwards around my ear, and then I take my scissors and just cut along that parting. You can kind of see what I'm doing. I feel like if you see it, it's better to explain. Then I take the same mini scissors and I cut the lace in a zigzag motion. And then to lay my actual lace, I'm going to take the Eben Wonder Lace spray. And this is the red one. The red one's the active one. I keep this on for a max of like 2 to 3 days. And it stays on pretty tight. I do like 2 layers, and then I lay the lace down with my comb and my blow dryer. Then I'm going to take some powder along the lace and then lay it down with this elastic band. And then I'm going to take my Keracare wax stick to just wax the hair with my hot comb. Next, I'm going to take my Chi Silk Infusion and then begin to straighten the hair in sections. I got my straightener from Amazon. It's called Kaposi. It's not, I can't find it anymore, but if you search in Google, you should find it. Kaposi Titanium Wide Plate Straightener. To define my part, I'm going to take the Magic Touch by L'Oreal. It's this like spray root touch-up thing. And then I'm going to take some concealer down my part. And that is how I install my wigs quickly. Okay guys, so this is the frontal once it's been installed. This is a no baby hair look. In person there isn't really a right cast, but on camera there's like a bit of a cast. But I feel like the longer I keep the band on, the more it will melt into my skin. I probably am going to do like baby hairs later on, but for now I'm just going to keep the no baby hair look. So this is how long it comes to on me, just above my hips. If I turn around, this is the density of the wig and how flowy the wig is. It goes all the way to the top of my bum. Yeah, the hair quality is A1. The frontal itself is really nice. Like on camera, not on camera, in person, you can't really see this. Like when I turn to the side, that's how it looks in person. But head on, it has a bit of a cast, but it will go away the longer I wear it. Yeah, I don't know if I'm gonna do edges. I've been digging the no baby hair look. The hair color is amazing. Yeah, that's the end of the install. If you would like to purchase this wig, all the links will be in the description box down below. Check out Asteria Hair, their website. Their hair is top tier. Like their hair is definitely top 3 vendors that I always recommend. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you all in my next one. Stay blessed, stay safe, and stay prayed out.